Hi, this is the task cards that is on Google Classroom on the stream. Okay, if you open that, you can go right there. This is the fourth problem. McDonald's sells 987 French fries every hour. Burger King sells 873 fries every hour. If they are both open 24 hours, how many more fries does McDonald's sell in a day than Burger King? All right, so in this problem, how many more fries does McDonald's sell in a day than Burger King? They're asking us to compare the amount of French fries that McDonald's sells to the amount that Burger King sells. So, and it's how many more. We're going to have to subtract. But to do that, we're going to have to figure out how many French fries McDonald's sells in their amount of time that they're open. Okay, and the amount of French fries that Burger King sells in the amount of time that they're open. And now the problem says that McDonald's sells 987 French fries every hour. How much are they open? Oh, later it says in the problem they're both open 24 hours. Okay, so that means the McDonald's is open for 24 hours. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is switch to my whiteboard here. Okay, hopefully I'm still going to be on there, and I want to multiply, let's see, 987 times 24. 987 times 24. This is going to be my Mickey D's here, McDonald's. I'm just going to abbreviate that. Then Burger King sells 873 fries every hour, also open for 24 hours. Let me go back here. 873 fries, 24, and this is Burger King over here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do this multiplication. Now, one of these numbers is going to be bigger than the other. I'm going to subtract the numbers when I get done. Okay, so you can go ahead and work through that on your own. You can pause the video and then resume it to watch me work through it. Wow, that's a lot. Oh, wait, that doesn't go here. Sorry. It goes here. Let me start again. 2 times 3 is 6. 14, yep, that's right. 17 carry. Okay, so see this number over here, McDonald's sells more French fries than Burger King, but how many more? I need to subtract then. Oh no, that's not right. Erase that. My eraser here. Okay, pencil then. Okay, so that's going to be my answer. I forgot what it was. 2736. 6. How many more fries does McDonald's sell in a day than Burger King? And I'm going to type fries then, not French fries. Okay, fries, only one word. Hey, next problem. The truck lot has 274 18-wheelers and 89 regular trucks. 18-wheelers. Okay. How many wheels are in the parking lot? So regular trucks. So 18-wheelers. I think 18-wheelers have 18 wheels. Don't they? 18-wheelers have 18 wheels? 18-wheelers have 18 wheels. Yes, I believe that's what it is. And regular trucks have 4 wheels. Okay, and that's what we got to know. Okay, so 274 18-wheelers, and we got to figure out how many wheels are in the parking lot. So let's see here. Down here, I can add a page. Okay. Okay. So I have they said 274 will have 18 wheels. And then how many? 89 regular trucks. This is a truck lot, so there's lots of trucks. 89 trucks have 4 wheels. So a lot of times when you solve math problems, there's an expectation that you know information. So in this case, that you know that an 18-wheeler has 18 wheels and that you know that a regular truck has 4 wheels. Those are expectations, things that you already know just from living. Another example would be that you know that there's 7 days in a week. Those are things that are automatically assumed, okay, that you know what a weekend is. That's another assumption, okay, when you solve math problems in 5th grade. Okay, we're going to solve both of these problems. We're going to figure out then how many wheels are over here on the left side, how many wheels are over there on the right side, and then we're going to add these 2 answers together. I'm going to start with this easy one over here. But you feel free to pause the video and play it again after you have your answers, and you can see if you're right. So once I have the amount of wheels that are on the 18-wheelers and the amount of wheels that are on regular trucks, I'm going to add them up to figure out the total. All right, so I have 5,288. Let me write that over again. 5,288 wheels in total. That's my answer. How many wheels are in the parking lot? My label will be wheels. Okay. Right. So the trick here when we're solving these multi-step word problems, and I'm not going to do any more. We'll continue this tomorrow, but this is just a brief little example video just to show you 2 more problems, okay? That might help you with your task cards for today. Is just take them slow, read them, think about what they're saying, and then just carefully work your way through them, okay? Each problem will involve multiplication, but each problem will also have either adding or subtracting in it. I don't think any division though, okay? All right, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Oops. Can't turn this thing off.